secret safe with me. Out of control, how to close doors. Nobody knows they get a grip. You move like an animal. 내 맘대로. I love the way you love the chase.
안녕하세요. 저는 Luigi, Philippine 사람이었어요. 네, we will having a reaction video for the KATSEYE Animal music video. So before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated member. So, Iga. So, let's go. Wow, yupuda. Face card. Ang ganda ng camera ko today. Grabe ang beat. I love the beat, guys. Wow, it looks like the sandal. Wow, this aura, it looks like the hands up, Gabriella. Gabriella. By the way, guys, time check, it's 12 a.m. 12 a.m. Guys, comment down below your bias in KATSEYE. Oh my god, this is it. This is it. The favorite part. Oh my god, I love the beat. I love the steps. I love the choreo. You see? Oh my god, the concept. Ah. Oh my god. Yeah, by the way, this is the camera ko the phone. Phone yung ginagamit ko right now, and I love the settings. I don't know if the quality, but I love the quality right now of my phone na. Oh my god. Oh my god, grabe guys, ang slay. Oh my god, this part is so copy. What? I love the red hair, guys. Oh my god. You know, guys, kung bakit ako ini-stop, I do stop or pause. What do you mean? Cut the video because para hindi siya to avoid copyright. Yes. Wow. The transition and this fits. Jollibee. Jollibee. Face card never decline.
No. Is that the shoe? I don't think so.
Oh my god, and right now it's 5 million views, guys. Oh my god.
Let's get wild.
Oh my god, it's getting wild. Then, oh my god, pasabog. Slayable. Guys, comment down below what's the next video that I need to upload. What's next, guys? Comment down below suggestion. Oh. Oh, it's the end of our video, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated my book. Oh my god, I don't know. Moyo, but I love my camera right now. So, yes, i-upload ko to ngayon.